So in the last video, I explained about dark matter and dark energy very simply and briefly, but I am going to discuss it deeply. But first, let's understand the basics of the universe. Star is a large and spherical body meaning a sphere that is round and three-dimensional like a ball, and three-dimensional or 3D is a measurements of length, width, and height. Planets are large celestial bodies that orbit a star, such as the Sun. They have enough gravity to pull themselves into a roughly spherical shape and have cleared their orbits of other debris. Galaxy is full of stars and planets, and it has billions of stars, and it is very vast, and also gas and dust are all held together by gravity. Gravity is a force that pulls everything together. It depends on the mass of the objects and also the distance between them. Light interacts with matter and everything in space, leaving dark matter and energy. As you know that dark matter and energy are invisible to us currently, but we hope we can explore them in the future. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. Matter can exist in different states, including solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. Quarks are elementary particles that combine to form protons, neutrons, and other particles called hadrons. Quarks are fundamental building blocks of matter. Quarks were found in 1964 by Murray Gell-Mann and George Zweig. Quarks were introduced as parts of an ordering scheme for hadrons, and there was little evidence for their physical existence until deep inelastic scattering experiments at the Stanford Linear Accelerator Center in 1968. Accelerator program experiments have provided evidence for all 6 flavors. The top quark, first observed at Fermilab in 1995, was the last to be discovered. There are 6 quarks, also known flavors of quarks: up quarks, down quarks, top quarks, charm quarks, strange quarks, bottom quarks. So we now covered the basics of the universe. Now I have questions to ask you guys. Where did we come from? To be in this universe there has to be another planet where we were there in order to come to Earth or universe, and if there is no other planet, then how did all this begin? Were we aliens? See, we're not seeds to plant, we are humans. Humans can't be planted, so my point is that there has to be another planet where we were there. I like thinking in every perspective and create new perspective in order to find new answers, and also questions, so don't get me wrong. Because that's how I think. So, if you are like me, then hit the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell. Is there an ending, or is it just never-ending loop repeating itself? What was there before the Big Bang? So comment down what you think or your answers to these questions. So we know dark matter and energy are mysterious substances that are invisible to us, but are they real? Because we know them because of their gravity, so the question is, are they real? There are so many questions rising about our universe. That's it for today. See you next Sunday.